Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. So today we're gonna be playing Press the Button 4. So now we're playing this game. And so we don't actually make this video. We played this game and then so we can start the video. So now we're gonna start the video with my sister. Okay. Okay, oh, yeah. Me and you are the pink car. Okay, guys, so now we need to. Guys, this is me, Slay. Okay. Start the fire. How do we start the fire? Oh, Alya, you need to press on the fire. So we need to try to find the back. Oh, found one. We need to try to find a drink. When I touch it, see? Try to find. Oh, dang it. Nope. Oopsies, I fell off the world. Oh. It's so difficult without jumping. Oh, it's actually easy. Oh. Why am I stuck here? Guys, I'm actually stuck. So that means I can't walk. Like, oh, how? I can go back. Bruh. Now I just. Yep. Go right. Oh. 7 minus 6. I think it's 1. Why? I died. So, Alya, let's add some blocks. When me and my sister die, we love to add blocks everywhere. Yeah, it's a song. No, I don't know. It's a flood, I think. I don't know. But I want the grapple. Oh my gosh, you see how many blocks we added? I want the lavender one. No, the lavender's the light purple. Woo! You see how that turns? Oh, get ready. Fight! How did you get all so many? So, guys. Now I think that these are snowballs. Oh shoot, it's gonna make a bomb. Is it another one even? Oh, you tried to find the button. Ah, dang it, someone found the button. Oh shoot, I'm just gonna stand up here. Right. Me and my sister didn't die, but all of them did. What the? Oh shoot. Oh, ooh. Oh shoot. Dang it, I died. Dead. Oh yeah, guys. So, yesterday I built my Lego set because I got a Lego, a new Lego. Yesterday it was like a flower pile. I'm gonna show you it later when we are done. I'm gonna show you the last thing. So now I have to have these blocks. No, this is the most hardest one. Stick yours to the light. Oh shoot. Oh. Nope. The lavender is light purple. Oh. I almost died. Oh no. At least I didn't die. Oh no, the bombs. Ah, Alya, don't go next to it. What? The giant noob. I'm gonna go to the purple. I'm gonna go to the blue one. Yep. A blueberry ice cream for Baskin Robbins. He ate me. I'm gonna go to the purple. And then I'm gonna go to green. Bruh. Ah! Don't. What the? I'm gonna add some Legos. Wait. Oh. Hola. Dora. Yeah, it's okay. I'm okay. Woo! Oh shoot. You need to jump. Jump up. Yeah. That's so we always, when we die, we love to act Legos for no reason. Oh, we need to fight. This is what the Yep. Of course. Who's Chapati? Alya, by the way, someone's name is Chapati. Oh, did you see how I was close? I was about to get hit by the core. Jump. Good morning. Wake up in the morning feeling like this city. I got my glasses on the door. I'm gonna did it, yeah. Florence, someone in this game named Chapati. Someone in this game named Chapati. Oh, he's gonna like. Yeah, I forgot how to move. I'm a rabbit. So today, my sister was acting with Alya, right here you're acting with a cat. Dang it! What? Dang it! was almost there. Oh. Dang it. Why do I keep falling? I'm Team Blue. I'm Team Blue. How about I am blue. Oh, it's a fire. Okay. Stop. Alya, you don't die and I will not die, but by accident, it's okay. Dang it, someone died. I'll put some Legos, but after.
Will you be my friend?
Oh, I almost died. Oh, I love this one. I got three. I was gonna get 6, but I got 5. I got 5, like your age. Oh shoot. Someone win with 15 points, like bro.
Someone beat my hand.
It's okay. I died. Oh, yay. So which one did I? Oh, 50 plus. Which? Oh. Ah. This is the first try. I died. My Pikachu. Dang. I don't want to be a dinosaur anymore. Cause I don't want to be a dinosaur. A giant. Oh shit. Bro, I died and then I gotta go. Bro. Bro, wait, you say mom. It's not real. Sister, you said mama? It's not. Oh, what is the ball? I have like 7 hours to wait to spin. It's supposed to be like 10 minutes or something. Why like 7 hours? 7 hours, that's like 5 days maybe. I can wait 7 hours like this day. Because this day is 20 hours or 24 hours? I don't really know. Oh, at least we didn't die. I kinda... Yes! The secret was gonna kill us. But at least... Yeah. Where? I forgot that it let us jump higher already. See how I jumped? Oh, shoot. Oh, I love this. Oh, hi. Dang it! That's just so fun. Why is everybody so serious? Like something mysterious. Награждение, женился. You can't even have a good time. Everybody looks for the laughter. Everybody looks for the rain. Can you feel that? Yeah, we're praying that tonight. It's not about the money. We don't need the money. We just want to make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Guys, by the way, I will tell you what is my favorite song. My real favorite song. Somebody's watching me. called it? I'm not too tired. I'm not too. Maybe a lot of you know it, but I really don't know. I'll make you down, I'll make you dance on my door, okay, so guys, if you like but I mean not I mean the look at him. Bro, he looks like a cockroach. That one's moving. Ooh. Oh. Oh no. Yes! Oh, it didn't. Ouch! How do you come? Bruh. Okay guys, so if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!